Hello, 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 and welcome to another tutorial by me, Emily, your friendly reference librarian. Last week we went through EBSCO, and today we're going to walk through Jstor, which is another journal storage repository. And we're going to look at how to find peer-reviewed sources on Jstor, which is a really important way for determining and discerning a researcher's validity and suitability for publication by experts within their same field. It's also really important for you as students, budding young researchers and scholars, to know if there's a quality article for you to include in your paper. So let's get started. Here we are on Jstor's main homepage, and as you see, the initial search bar has books, images, primary sources, and journals, but we just want articles, so we're going to go to advanced search. Here we are, and last week we were using Battle of the Bulge, and we're going to continue on that theme, but as I was using that search term, I was getting so many hits and they were kind of strange, so I went over here to Wikipedia, and I see that this used to be called the Artemis Offense. Battle of the Bulge was a term coined after World War II. And I say this because this is really important for us as scholars to recognize sometimes we misspell things and that we have to be really specific with academic purposes on our search terms, because that can greatly affect the outcome of our search. So here we are, we're going to use this, and as soon as we start using this, I think we're going to get better results. And we're going to scroll down here, and of course we don't want books, we want articles, right? We're trying to find peer-reviewed articles. And when we go down to results for, this helps us narrow and sift through our search terms even further. For instance, if we're getting too many hits, we might realize we are not probably going to want anything from astrology for this particular search, but maybe we're interested in how African American troops affected the outcome of World War II. So you know what, I am interested in that. And so I'm going to hit submit, advanced search, and we end up getting this one source. And perhaps I'm not sure if this is going to be useful or helpful yet. So we click on it and we read a little bit more about it. And we realize, yeah, no, this is what we want. In the right-hand corner, we hit download. Download can be saved to our Google Docs folder, or it can be saved to our computer. And I'm going to say, yeah, accept download. And here under site, we can, let's say we're using APA format, we can copy it and save it to our document for our bibliography, our works cited. And you can't count on this on being a perfect citation, okay? But this can be a start. And it's useful to collate as you work along so you know where you're getting this information, so you don't forget. Keep a list. And that's sort of the basics of working through this. But if you have any other questions, I'm always here to help. And please, please, please come to me.